Control Design Studio Data Dictionary section. What is Data Dictionary? It's a resource catalog that defines your resource. Here's an example of created resource. I'll search for bundle, and there's several resources that are bundle. So we have bundle MAC address, which I will demonstrate. And as you can see, within Data Dictionary, you're defining the resource name. In this case, the bundle MAC address, the resource path, the tags you can search with. You also have a section for resource type. This is a section that you can find proprietary resource or a standard resource, such as OpenConfig or OwnApp could be a standard resource. In Data Dictionary, you have ability to define the data types, primitive data types and complex data types. So you have strings, integers, boolean, and timestamps. If you do have a case of a complex data type, you can define it as a structure. So we have a data type property defined, or it could be a list of data type of property that you can define as well. You can include the description and the valid values. And now it's not enough to define just what the data type is. We also need to know how this resource gets resolved. So we have a section within Data Dictionary that defines the capability, and you can have multiple capabilities. So in this case, we have just a single capability called database, and what it's accomplishing is querying the SDNGC MySQL database to extract the MAC address value. So as you can see, we are defining the query. We're also defining the input key mapping and output key mapping. So input key mapping is what are the variables that are needed in order to resolve this resource. So in this case, it's host name, and the output key mapping would be the actual value that we're extracting from the MySQL query in this case. So we have VP MAC address pool. That's the name of the field that is stored in the MySQL table, and we're extracting that resource as bundle MAC address. And as you can see, we are defining the dependency of executing this query. So before you can execute the bundle MAC address, you need to resolve hostname, and hostname will be its own Data Dictionary value. Thank you.